Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all. Class 3 Maths. Yes, students, already you learned here up to 6 chapters. Yes, so today we will start this one, that is the 7th chapter, Mental Arithmetic. Yes, so what we can call this one, mental arithmetic? Yes, so whenever you are going to a shop, okay, so it means if you have 10 rupees, what means whenever you are going to a shop, so you will buy a chocolates. So how many rupees you will be buy a chocolates? It means 3 rupees chocolates you will be buy a 3 rupee chocolates. Okay, so the shopkeeper returns amount. So 10 rupees now you have, so will be give to the shopkeeper. Okay, so shopkeeper he will be cut the 3 rupees chocolate 3 rupees and he will be return amount. So how much amount he will be returned? So 7 rupees. Yes, so we can call this one mentally we will be calculating. Yes, mentally we will be calculating. Another one example I'll give you. For example, you have 2 balls. Okay, so you have 2 balls. So your friend and you both are playing. Okay, so your friend, it means your friend has 1 ball. So it means if you have 2, no, you will be give to your friend 1 ball. Okay, and another 1 ball with you. Okay, so it means we can understanding you will be give to 1 ball to your friend. Okay, so remaining how many balls with you? You will be calculating, no. So remaining 1 ball with you, because only you have 2. One you will be give to a friend, another one is only 1 with you. Okay, this we can call this one mentally we will be calculating the things. It may be a rupees, whatever you can take. Okay, so mentally we will be calculating. So this is a lesson we are studying now, that is mental arithmetic. Yes, students, one of the they can given you. So what we can understanding from this lesson? Yes, so we will be studying here subtract a single digit number and 2 digit numbers mentally. What we will be studying? Single digit number, single digit number and 2 digit number, 2 digit number. So we will be studying here. And so how to add here? So add single digit number and 2 digit number. So mentally we will be adding. Okay, so double the 2 digit numbers mentally. So double the 2 digit number, 2 digit numbers mentally. Okay, so we will be understanding. So it means we will be studying in this lesson. Okay, so we will add single digit and 2 digit numbers, and also we will be which one understanding here, double the 2 digit numbers mentally. It means 2 digit numbers mentally we will be calculating. Okay, so start from here. See, one of the magic they can be given here. So that is we can understanding calculating. It means or we can be understanding activity for you. Okay, so magic square. Yes, you already learned this one already. It means it means you didn't learn, you will be heard, means heard this word magic square. Okay, so here one of the box we will be draw here, one of the box we will be drawn. Okay, in this box. Okay, so here okay, so here 3 columns. Okay, so in this magic squares I'll write some of the numbers. Okay, so these some of the numbers in means if it is any numbers, some numbers I'll write it. So any numbers adding, that adding sum is same. Okay, so for example some of the means words are row and column. Okay, so answer how much we need means answer I'll write here in the middle. Okay, answer. Okay, so here, so we need answer how much? 8. Okay, so like this, like this, like this, like this, we will be write the which one? Numbers. So which numbers? If it is the numbers we added, that sum we need 8. Okay, so this is we can be will do now. Okay, so 2, 4, 2. Yes. Okay, so 2 plus 4 how much? 2 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 plus 4 how much? 6. 6 plus 2 8. Yes, 8 is the answer. See, we can get answer 8. Okay, in next one, in this column we will be starting you 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. Yes, 5 plus again will be add 3. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 8. Yes, we can get answer is 8. This is the answer. We need this answer. Okay, so 8. Next column we will be go as here. Okay, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so here see 1 plus 4 plus 3. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes, we can get answer in the row and also column. Okay, and next one here see 2 is there, 5 is there. How much it is? 2 plus 2 is there, 1 is 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. So here 3 is there. So how many numbers we will be add to get answer 8? Yes, so we'll write 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 5 plus 1. So equal to 8. Yes. So we can get in this magic square, we can get answer 8 in any row or as any column. Yes. Yes. In this column and in this column. Understood no? Yes, so this is we can call as, so don't add this one, this is answer. Okay, don't add this. This is we can call as a magic square. Yes, another one magic square we'll see here. See, another one they can be given here. Another one magic square. So answer we get answer 10. So answer is 10. So how much numbers in any numbers we will be add, we can get answer is 10. Okay. So 2 plus 3 plus 5. It means we adding no here. So if it is we write here plus or not. Okay. So here I'll write here 2 plus 3 plus 5. It means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Yes, we can get answer 10. Okay. Now like here. So 5 plus 4 plus 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 5 plus 4 plus 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. So we can get answer. Next one here. So we are going. First we are going this one. Okay. So 2 plus 3 plus 5. So is there no 2 plus 3 plus 5 is there? So we'll change this number. Okay. Okay. 2 plus 7. 7 no don't want. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 2 10. Okay. 2 plus 6 plus 2. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 2 10. We can get answer 10. Okay. Like here see 2 2 is there, 1 is there. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10. 2 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 10. Yes, see, like columns, like rows, we can get answer is, if we are adding these numbers, we can get answer is 10. Understood this one? Okay. Next one, we are going yes. See here, play with numbers. So this is another one activity. Yes, we are going another one activity, that is play with numbers. Yes, some of the students are playing here. Okay, so what they can be playing here? They are here, see, John, Radha, Gauri, Prakash and Jyoti have collected the tamarind seeds. So where they can be collected? All the seeds are fallen on the ground under a tree. Okay, so that is under a tamarind tree. It means all the tamarind seeds, they will be collected. Okay, so observe these number of tamarind seeds they have. Okay, they have. So how many members having how many tamarind seeds? Okay, we'll see now. Yes, Radha had 20 tamarind seeds. Okay, Prakash has the 36. So, and Gauri have the 24. Okay, next one, Jyoti have 12. Next one, John have 18 tamarind seeds. Okay, so what we will see now here? So all the students are collecting the tamarind seeds. It means Radha 20 she collected, Prakash 36, Gauri 24 and Jyoti 12 and John 18 tamarind seeds they can be collected. Okay, so some of the questions they will be asking now. Okay, we'll give the answer. Here see, John and Radha together have 38 tamarind seeds. Say true or false. Yes, what we can understanding, Radha and John. So Radha, how much she has? Radha 20 and another one person who is here, Radha and John. John has the 18. So together both are collecting how many tamarind seeds? So 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. Totally 38 seeds. Yes. So if it is true or false, if it is true, we'll do the right mark. This is the correct answer. Yes, they can given here. See, John and Radha together have 38 tamarind seeds. So this is true or false means this is true. Okay, we added no, that answer is correct. Okay. Next question is, how many tamarind seeds do Gauri and Prakash together have? See, Gauri and Prakash. Gauri 20, Prakash how much? 36. Okay, we'll add 10. 0 plus 6 is 6. 5 plus, 2 plus 3 is 5. Total 56. But how many they can given? How many tamarind seeds Gauri, so this is wrong. Gauri and Prakash, no, here. Okay. Gauri 24 she had, Prakash 36. Okay, we'll add no. 4 plus 6 is 10. So carry 1. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 is 60. Yes. So how many both are having here? 60 seeds. Okay. Yes. Answer is 60. Next one. How many more tamarind seeds does Radha have than Jyoti? It means tamarind seeds whose have Radha and Jyoti have. Okay. So Radha, how many tamarind seeds she have? 20 and Jyoti 12. So how many tamarinds Radha have more? It means so 20 is more or 12 is more here? 20 is more. So it means how many? In 20 minus 12 we will be do here. 20 minus 12. Okay. 10 minus 2, 8. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Totally 8 tamarind seeds Radha have more. Okay. So these all the problems we will be doing mentally. Okay. So I'll show you. Okay. So next one. Next question. If the number of tamarind seeds that Gauri and John have to be equal, then John has to collect 7 more seeds. Say true or false. Yes. If the number of tamarind seeds that Gauri and John have to be equal. So John and Gauri, both the tamarind seeds to be equal. So what we will do the John? How many? He will be collected the tamarind seeds to become as a 24. Yes, they can given here 7. No, only 6. This question is wrong. Okay. Yes. Next one. If the number of tamarind seeds that Radha and Jyoti have to be equal, how many more seeds should be Jyoti collected? Okay. Which one? The number of tamarind seeds Radha and Jyoti. Radha and Jyoti have to be equal. How many more tamarind? Which one? Tamarind seeds should be collecting Jyoti. Yes. So 20 minus 12 we can get answer is 8. So 8 tamarind seeds Jyoti should be collecting. If she is be collecting, so it's equal to Radha. Okay. Next one. Prakash and Gauri together have 60 seeds. If Gauri has 24 seeds, then how many seeds does Prakash have? Yes, Prakash and Gauri together have a 60. Okay, Prakash, where he is Prakash and Gauri, both they are collecting. So these are how many seeds? Totally 60 seeds. Okay. So if it is has a 24 seeds, Gauri she has. So how many seeds Prakash should be have? So 36 only. Because answer we can get no 60, only 36. Okay. Next. Okay, this is the activity. Which one? Third one activity, that is play with numbers. Is there here? See the page number 14. Okay. Okay, next one, that is the next game is, that is fourth activity. So we are going here, game of reaching 100. Okay, you are playing in the ground. Yes, so many types of games you will be playing in the grounds. Okay, likewise these students are playing here in the classroom only. They will be playing. Okay, in classroom games and also in ground games. Okay, outdoor games. So in classroom games, this is so mentally the calculating how the numbers, it means numbers will be adding and increasing the number and reaching the number 100. Okay. So first one, Asha. The first girl is, who's this one? Asha. Okay. First Asha, she started. Okay. So, which number between 1 and 9? Only they will be adding in between the 1 and 9. Shall I say my number is 9? She started from 9. Okay. In between 1 to 9. Okay. Next one, Ashok. Ashok is, what he will do? Ashok is, I will add to 7 to 9. It means 9 plus 7. He's added 7. So how much it is? It will become as 16. Okay. So Ashok is added number to 7 to the 9. Okay. It will 16. Okay. Next one. So same Asha and whose one? Asha and Ashok. Okay. So next one. See here. Again Asha will be added to 16. How many numbers? 4 she will be added. It will become as a 20. Okay. So Asha is added 4 number to 16. So answer we can get answer 20. Again Ashok is added to 20 plus 5. 5 numbers he will be added to 20. So it will become as how much? 25. Okay. Next one, again this one. So in 25, Asha is added 6 number to a 25. So answer we can get is 31. Okay. Next one, again 31. Ashok is added 8 numbers to 31. We can get answer is 39. Okay. So next one, same 39. So Asha is added to 1. So it will become 40. Okay. Next one, again 40. The Ashok is added to 3 number to the 40. So answer is 43. Okay. Next one, same. So 43. The Asha is added 7. So it will become as 50. Okay. Same as here 50. Ashok is added 8 number to 50. So it will become as 50. Like here the both are playing this game. So this is very interesting game. So, and also we will be know the addition mentally how we will be add. So this is continuation of to reach how much? 100. So who will add a last number to reach 100? They will be winner. Okay. Understood now this one? Yes. So here see some of the can be given here. Calculate mentally. So write true or false. Okay. We will be calculate mentally and we will say true or false. Okay. Here see 10 plus first one, this is 10 plus 10 equal to how much? 20. Okay. So in 20 they'll add 5. It will become as how much? 25. Okay. So in 25 again they'll added 6. So answer is 31. Yes. So this is correct or not? This is true or false? Yes. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 we will add to 5 to 20. 25 we can get answer. So add 6 to the 25 we can get answer 31. This is the correct answer. Okay. Next one they can given here. See. Second one. 50 minus 5 equal to 45. Minus 10 equal to 35. Minus 4 equal to 30. Yes. See, this is the second one answer. See, the second one. 50 minus 5 is, we can get answer is 45. It's correct. Okay. 45 we subtract 10. Okay. So we can get answer is how much? 35. In 35, so 4 is subtracted from the 35. Okay. So we can get answer is 30 is correct or not. So we can get answer, it means 31, but this is wrong. Yes. Okay. Next one. Third one. 25 plus 3 equal to 28 plus 4 equal to 32 plus 5 equal to 39. Yes. See the answer, it is correct or not. Okay. See. 25 plus 3 is 28 we can get. Okay. 28 we add to 4 to 28 here. So we can get answer is 32. Okay. So 32, 5 is added to 32. We can get answer is how much? 37. But here 39 they can be given. So this is wrong. Okay. Next one, fourth one, 60 minus 3 equal to 57 minus 5 equal to 52 minus 6 equal to 46. Okay. See here, 60 minus 3, 57, we can get answer. 57 minus 5, we can get answer is how much? 52. In 52, we will be subtract 6. Yes. So, in 52, we will be subtract 6. How much we can get answer? This is right or wrong? Yes. See, we can calculating. If it is not do, it means mentally can't to do. So, we will be subtract here. 12 minus 6. Okay. So, how much we can get here? 6. Okay. So, carry 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, we can get answer is correct. Okay. 46. Okay. Next one. That is fifth one. 40 plus 9 equal to 49 plus 8 equal to 57 plus 7 equal to 64. Yes, see here answer, 40 plus 9 is 49. So, add 8 is to 49, we can get answer is 57. So, again 7 is added to 57, we can get answer is 64. It's correct or not? Yes. So, it's a correct answer. Yes, you understood this one all. So, true or false you will be studied. Okay. So, next we are going here. So, that is calculate mentally and fill in the blanks. Okay. See here. So, here first one they can be given here. First one in the angles they can be given here. So, in this angle 40 plus in this angle 12 they can be given here. So, we can get answer in the square here 52. Yes, answer is 52. First one they did. Okay, second one 75. So, we will be right in the triangle 13. We can get answer in the square. Yes. So, 75 plus 13. Yes, I'll say you one method to calculate. 75 plus 13 is there, no? So, this 13 we will be write like 10 plus 3. Like this we will be right. Okay. So, 10 plus 3 we can call as here 75 plus 10 plus 3. Okay. So, next we will be add these two. 75 plus 10 is 85 plus 3. Okay. So, 85 plus 3 is 88. So, splitting this number and calculate, this is the easy method to calculate. Okay. So, it means 13, this is 75 plus 13 is there, no? So, we will be 13 we will be right like this. 10 plus 3 is also 13. 75 plus 10 we will be add both, and so as it is 3 we will be right here. So, 75 plus 10 is 85, 85 plus 3 is 88. Like here see, 75 plus 13 is there, no? So, first only 10 we will be take. 75 plus 10 is 85, 85 we will be add 3 this one. Okay. So, its answer is how much? 88. Like this we will be calculating mentally. Okay. So, next one 80 minus 10. So, 80 minus 10, how we will be calculating? For example, I will tell, remove 0. Okay. 8 minus 1 equal to how much? 8 minus 1 equal to 7. So, add 0, 70. Yes. Okay. I will write here 70. Understood now this one? Okay. Next one 75 minus 35. Okay, so answer, how many answer we will be get here? So first, okay, tell me here, 75 minus 35. Okay, so first we will be take here 7 3. Okay, 30, it means 75 30. Okay, so here see, in 75 we will be minus 30. How much it means? It means get here, we can get here 75 minus 35. 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4. Like it will be calculating here, see, 7 minus 3 is how much you can get? 4. Okay, mind it. Next, 5 minus 5 is how much means? We can get 0. It means 4, 0, 40. Okay, answer is 40. Next one, that is fifth one, 90 plus 7 equal to how much? 90 plus 7. 90 we will be add to 7 90. So answer we can get 97. Yes. Okay. So I hope you understood this one. So tomorrow we'll continue the lesson.